It's the time of the year again, and to mark the start of our Computex 2025 coverage, here we are today at ASUS HQ to attend a ROG media preview event. Let's go!
This is the ROG Falcata. The whole concept is that you get the benefits of a full-size keyboard, but also when you want to go into that play mode, you can use the left side of the keyboard and toggle zone mode to get that 8K polling. This allows for shooter games especially, to get more space for their mouse and giving them a greater area to aim and kill their enemies. I think another thing worthy to note is that we improved on the multifunction wheel so that you get to customize rapid trigger and your actuation point on the fly on the device without the need of any software. And I think the second feature that we do want to mention is that they do use Hall effect switches, and these are the second versions, improved based on the last ones with a larger magnet and more accurate actuation. Right here, you'll see that you get the full-size keyboard at 75%, and then let's say right now, I'm done with work, I want to play.
Okay.
We remove this right side, and you get the left side, and this allows you to only, because the majority of game functions are on the left side, and this right area will be reserved for your mouse. Like I said before, when you're gaming, the more area you have, the better it is. I would add, because this is focused on the ergonomic component, we do allow you to install additional mouse feet. You'll see that there's 4 squares, and depending on how you want to...
Okay, why is it screws?
Thumb screws, so you don't need a screwdriver or anything. But yeah, the whole point is how you want to set it up, whether you want to tilt it higher, like this, where you will install it here and here, or if you want it on the back. And there's also different heights. There's 5 total angles that you can set up your keyboard in. And the wrist rest is also removable. If you don't want to use the wrist rest, it's also fine.
Doesn't look like it's removable, right?
Yeah, it is actually removable. It's very, very subtle. You can see here, the very edge, it is removable though. Yeah, because some gamers do not prefer to have.
So if I remove the wrist rest, the base will come out as well?
Well, the base, this part will come off, but the angle adjustments are still there.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Got it. And what do we have here?
Now we have the Harp 2 Ace, which is the second generation of the ambidextrous mouse, first generation of the Harp. And the main features of this mouse is that it was co-designed with Demon 1. We took a lot of his feedback, changed the shape, went back and forth with him. And then I think the second feature that most people will care about is that it is an improved bio-based nylon shell from the first generation. We also did change the coating to provide players with a better grip. And then what you'll notice is on the bottom here, we have swapped to larger mouse feet. And as well as, if you can notice the detail, it is slightly curved on the edge. This is what we call 2.5D. Yeah, and the whole purpose is just to give a better glide experience for players. Yeah.
Any major changes from the Harp Ace Extreme?
The Harp Ace Extreme, well, obviously the Harp Ace Extreme is carbon fiber material, but you will notice that the weight is actually kind of similar. You have 47 grams and 48 grams. The Harp Ace Extreme is based on an older shape, and with this new one, this is more tailored towards Demon 1's own unique grip style. And then you'll notice that in the videos that it's all about his the fingertip grip and the claw grip. Obviously palm grip still works because it's the most safe shape. But yeah, I think those are the shape is the biggest difference, I would say.
Alright. And I also noticed there's a brand new mouse pad here.
Yeah, this is the Sheath 2, and the main feature of this mouse pad is that of its cooling abilities. First of all, it's heat absorption and heat dissipation. So not only does it take off the heat from your palms while you're gaming, it is also faster at letting the heat dissipate from the mouse pad. So you get a more cool gaming experience.
Sounds like a magic carpet.
I mean, you can see it that way, but
does it really feel cooling?
Yeah, we did actually measure them through a thermal camera, and then there is a value of Qmax where we are actually above the industry standard. So yeah, I mean, magic carpet, but there also is science behind it, I guess.
And all these 3 products that we just talked about, any idea what's their release date?
I think the release date should be within the next month or 2, but that's not a guarantee. You will get more accurate numbers during Computex. Yeah, which is upcoming. It's only in a couple of days.
Okay, thanks for your time, Anderson.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is our new ROG Strix Ace XG24AQSG, and this is our first Ace series monitors. And Ace means eSports series. Yeah, so
Yeah, because ACE is previously just peripherals, right?
yeah, we align together so to build the ecosystem to the complete esports ecosystems. And the refresh rate can overclock to 610 Hz. This is our competitors and this is our new monitors. And you can see later this UFO testing, you can show the motion clarity. Our will be like clear. Yeah, because we have new EOMB2. The full name is Extreme Low Motion Blur 2. And the most important upgrade will be the brightness level. Because in the past, people feels like the brightness is quite low because we, like half. Yeah, because we have different levels, so we have different needs in different levels.
Okay.
Yeah, but we recommend that like level 3 will be the best performance.
And the maximum level is?
We have 1 to 5.
1 to 5. Okay.
Yeah, because and we recommend 3 will be the perfect and in the viewing perspective. Yeah, and also the input lag is quite important for esports player, and ours input lag is lower. It's only 0.8 milliseconds. Yeah, compared to a competitor, we measure like they will be like almost 1 point something milliseconds. So it's quite the great upgrade compared to other TN panels.
All right, interesting. Thank you for your time, Jessica.
No
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have seen the new ROG peripherals as well as the gaming monitor. The last thing I want to talk about is actually the BTF system, specifically the BTF GPU. Now ASUS have made the golden connector to the motherboard detachable, and here is actually the high power adapter. Why is it detachable? Because previously when you have a BTF GPU, you must use it together with a BTF motherboard. Only the BTF motherboard will have the slot to let you connect to the BTF GPU. But now, with the detachable adapter, you can actually use any other normal non-BTF motherboard and your GPU will still work. But how do you get the power delivery? Well, they have actually bring back the power delivery port in front as well. So basically, if you buy a BTF GPU now, you get front or back power delivery, not end, front or back. So it is a minor update, but a good quality of life improvement nonetheless. So that's about it, everything that ASUS have shown us in this very early ROG Media Preview event. I am not sure if you will see more stuff in Computex, which is happening tomorrow, day 1. So be sure to like, share and subscribe and follow us for more Computex coverage throughout the week. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.